the fourth corner, we finally kind of located it. It was a big task getting through this green thing, but yeah, somehow we managed it. We shifted the table and trying to get to the third one. Should be able to locate it. Yeah.
मी इकडे उभा राहिलो मला तो पण दिसतो दगड आणि हा पण लगेच दिसतो. हा तर लगेच नोटीस होईल आता तुम्ही जेव्हा याल नाही
बरोबर.
मी ह्या रोडच्या लाईनीत जर चाललो